Hello student, I am Prachi. This is the part 2 of types and concept of industrial automation. So today's I am going to explain the levels of industrial automation, advantages, disadvantages and somewhat. So first of all, levels of industrial automation. There are several ways to describe the levels of an industrial automation process. But the simplest of all is the following hierarchical triangle of three-level representation of a typical industrial automation application. First of all, supervisory level, that is the industrial PC. Second one is the control level PC, and third one is the field level. हे आपण समजून घेणार आहोत एका एक्झाम्पलद्वारे. चक्कीमध्ये दळण दळण्याच्या चक्कीमध्ये सुपरवायझरी लेवलवर मीन्स आपले जे आईज असतात त्या ठिकाणी जे आईज वर्क करतात मीन्स चक्कीमध्ये ग्रेन्स आहेत की नाही हे बघण्याचं काम आपले आईज करतात. तसेच सुपरवायझरी लेवल वर्क करते इन इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये. अँड सेकंड इज दी कंट्रोल लेवल means our hand, means when the grains are available or not available in this, then जर का ग्रेन नसतील तर त्यामध्ये ग्रेन टाकावे लागतील किंवा जर असेल तर मग काय टाकायची आवश्यकता नाही. तर हँड हे कंट्रोल लेवलवरती वर्क करतात आणि फील्ड लेवलवरती जी चक्कीमध्ये दळण दळलं जाते ती वर्क करते फील्ड लेवलवर. सो these are the three levels and we are understand in the simple way. So first is the supervisory level, second is the control level, and third is the field level. Field level in industry means the sensors and actuators, that is point to point connection. So what is the supervisory level? We see, sitting at the top of the hierarchy, the supervisory level usually consists of an industrial PC, which is usually available as a desktop PC or a panel PC or a rack-mounted PC. These PCs run on standard operating systems with a special software usually provided by the suppliers for industrial process control. The main purpose of the software is process visualization and parameterization. A special industrial internet is used for communication, which can be Gigabit, LAN or any wireless topology, WLAN. Second one is the control level. The control level is the mid level in the hierarchy, and this is the level where all the accumulation all the automation related programs are executed. For this purpose, generally programmable logic controller or PLCs are used, which provide real-time computing capability. PLCs are usually implemented using 16-bit or 32-bit microcontrollers and run on a proprietary operating system to meet the real-time requirements. PLCs are also capable of being interfaced with several I/O devices and can communicate through various communication protocols like CAN. Field level, this is the third level, and the terminal equipment like sensors and actuators are categorized into field level in the hierarchy. The sensors like temperature, optical pressure, etc., and actuators like motors, valves, switches, etc., are interfaced to a PLC through a field bus, and the communication between a field level device and its corresponding PLC is usually based on a point to point connection. Both wired and wireless networks are used for communication, and using this communication, the PLC can also diagnose and parameterize various components. Additionally, an industrial automation process system also requires two major systems. They are industrial power supply and security and protection. So, the power requirements of different systems in different level of hierarchy can be extremely different. For example, PLCs usually run on 24-volt DC, while heavy motors run on either one phase or three phase AC. So, a wide range of proper input power supply is required for a trouble free operation. Additionally, there should be security for the software being used to control the PLCs, as it can be easily be modified or corporated, corrupted. Considering all the above mentioned levels and their corresponding components, a typical industrial automation system will have the following structure. So this is the structure: industrial power supply, then supervisory level, control level and field level, security and protection AC/DC, DC to DC and UPS. Then after this, the types of industrial automation system.